Hello, friends. Today, I will tell you a very simple story about my daily routine. This story is in present simple tense. That means all the sentences are easy, short, and useful. I want you to listen carefully. I want you to repeat after me. And I want you to imagine the pictures in your mind. If you practice this lesson slowly, you will improve your English speaking. You will learn how to talk about your daily routine, and you will feel more confident in conversations. So, are you ready? Let's begin my daily routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. Yes, every morning I wake up at 6. When I open my eyes, the sun is not very bright. The world is quiet. The birds sing softly. I feel peaceful. I sit on my bed and I stretch my arms, I stretch my legs. I take a deep breath. And I say to myself, it's a new day. After a few minutes, I stand up. I walk slowly to the bathroom. I brush my teeth very carefully. Left side, right side, up and down. I brush slowly. I wash my mouth with water, and I feel fresh. Then I wash my face. I put cold water on my cheeks. The water feels cool. It wakes me up. I look in the mirror and I smile. Now I comb my hair. I make it neat and clean. I look at my reflection and I say, I am ready for the day. Next, I drink a glass of water. Yes, 1 full glass. I hold the glass in my hand. I take small sips. 1 sip. Pause. Another sip. Pause. The water goes down slowly. I feel strong. I feel healthy. Sometimes I drink warm water with lemon. It is good for my body. After that, I make my bed. I pull the blanket straight. I put the pillows in the right place. I look at my bed and I feel satisfied. My room looks clean and nice. Now it is time for breakfast. I go to the kitchen. I prepare bread. I boil eggs. I make hot tea. Sometimes I eat fruit, bananas, apples, or oranges. I put them on a plate. I eat slowly, bite by bite. I enjoy my breakfast. I don't hurry. I take my time. I watch the news or I listen to music. The breakfast gives me energy. The breakfast makes me ready for work. At 8 o'clock, I start my work. I sit at my desk. I open my laptop slowly. The screen becomes bright. I take a deep breath and I say, now let's begin. First, I check my emails. I read every message one by one. Some emails are short. Some emails are long. I reply carefully. I write slowly. I check my spelling. I check my grammar. And then I press send. After emails, I make a list. Yes, a list of my tasks. I take my notebook. I write number 1, number 2, number 3. I like to plan my day. When I finish one task, I cross it out. This makes me feel happy. This makes me feel organized. Then I make phone calls. I talk to my colleagues. Sometimes we discuss work. Sometimes we share small jokes. I listen carefully. I speak clearly. I say, "Yes, I understand," or "I will do that." After phone calls, I continue my work. I type on the keyboard, click, click, click. The sound is steady. I focus. I concentrate. I give my full attention. Sometimes I have online meetings. I join the meeting. I see many faces on the screen. I listen carefully. I take notes in my notebook. I write slowly. I write clearly. If I don't understand, I ask. I say, "Excuse me, can you repeat that?" This is how I learn. This is how I improve. At 10 o'clock, I take a short break. I push my chair back. I stand up. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I walk to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. I take small sips. I relax. I look outside the window. I see the trees. I see the sky. The world looks calm. After 10 minutes, I will return to my desk. I sit again. I continue my work. I work seriously until lunchtime. At 1 o'clock, I eat lunch. I go to the dining table. I sit down. I prepare rice. I prepare vegetables. Sometimes I eat chicken. Sometimes I eat fish. I put the food on a plate. I eat slowly, bite by bite. I drink water. Sometimes I drink juice. I enjoy the taste. I feel satisfied. After lunch, I rest. I sit on the sofa. I close my eyes. I don't sleep, I just relax. I think about my morning. I think about my work. I let my body feel light. 15 minutes pass quickly. Then I stand up again. In the afternoon, I study English. Yes, every day I study English for 1 hour. I take my book. I read slowly. I say the sentences aloud. I repeat them again and again. This helps me remember. Sometimes I watch English videos. I listen carefully. I pause the video. I repeat the words. I try to copy the accent. I try to copy the tone. Sometimes I practice speaking in front of the mirror. I look at my face. I look at my mouth. I say, "Hello, how are you?" I say, "I am fine, thank you." I say, "Today, I am learning English." I watch my lips. I listen to my voice. And I smile. Other times, I write new words. I open my notebook. I take my pen. I write the word. Then I write the meaning. Then I write a sentence, for example, word, beautiful. Sentence, the park is beautiful. I write. I read slowly, and I remember. In the evening, I go for a walk in the park. I wear my shoes. I open the door slowly, and I step outside. The air feels fresh. The sky looks beautiful. Sometimes the sun is setting. The colors are orange, pink, and gold. I take a deep breath. I feel relaxed. When I reach the park, I see many people. Children are playing. They run, they laugh. Their voices are full of joy. I see old people walking slowly. Step by step, They enjoy the calm evening. Sometimes I meet my friends in the park. We smile, we shake hands, we talk. I say, "How are you?" My friend says, "I'm fine, thank you." We laugh together. We share small stories. We share our day. After walking, I sit on a bench. I look at the trees. I listen to the birds. I feel the wind on my face. The world feels peaceful. The world feels kind. After some time, I stand up. I walk back home. My body feels light. My mind feels calm. When I come home, I help my family in the kitchen. I cut vegetables. I wash the dishes. Sometimes I cook simple food. I enjoy cooking. It is fun. It is relaxing. While cooking, I talk with my family. We laugh, we share ideas, we help each other. This makes me happy. At night, we eat dinner together. We sit at the table. We talk about our day. I say, "Today I worked hard." My family says, "Today was good." We smile. We feel close. Dinner time is my favorite part of the day. After dinner, I watch TV. Sometimes I listen to music. The songs are soft. The songs are sweet. They make me calm. Sometimes I read a book. I turn the pages slowly. I read the sentences. I imagine the story. Books make me happy. Sometimes I write in my diary. I take my pen. I write, "Today I woke up early. Today I worked hard. Today I learned something new." Writing helps me remember my life. Writing helps me feel grateful. At 9:30, I prepare my bed. I pulled the blanket. I put the pillows in the right place. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I change into my pajamas. Now, I am ready for sleep. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. I lie down. I close my eyes. I take a deep breath. I feel happy. I feel relaxed. Slowly, slowly, I sleep. This is my daily routine. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night, all in simple English, all in present simple tense. Now it is your turn. Tell me in the comments. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you go for a walk in the evening? Practice your daily routine in English. Repeat these sentences every day, because practice makes you better. Step by step, little by little, you will improve. And don't forget, subscribe for one new English lesson every day. Together, we will learn. Together, we will grow. Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson.